as we're starting to get back onto this Land Rover 90 project, it's been in storage for quite a while because it was painted just before the holidays, and as you know, I've been really busy with 2 or 3 projects on the go. So now I've cleared the decks, we're back onto the 90 again. One of the first things we need to do is look at the glass, because obviously it was painted without any glass in it. And I've want to do this car with a slight a factory tinted windscreen, or windshield as you want to call it, because I have one. I have a brand new one. The old windscreen was what we call sandblasted, and that means that when you've been following cars over years and years, and especially because it came from Spain in a very dusty climate, there's a lot of dust kicked up off the road, and the windscreen gets all pockmarked. It wasn't how do we say, it wasn't too bad, you know, there was no cracks or chips or anything, but when you get light in at a certain angle, it sparkles all over the place and it's very nasty to see. And I think this vehicle is going to be worth putting new glass in, especially at the front. Which brings me to the point, I only have one windscreen left in stock, a tinted one, and I think with the green tint and the green car it's going to look really, really nice. However, the rest of the windows I thought were just plain glass. So get me sick. So I've been to the container and dug everything out, and they're here on my bench now. And to quite a bit of a surprise, some glass is already tinted. Let's have a look. Can we see that? This is a good way to tell if your glass is tinted, like tinted here, or it's plain glass. So it seems that the Alpine windows are tinted. The rear door glass is tinted. Where is that? That's over there. That's tinted. The front 2 driver's and passenger glass is plain. And also, again, let's have a look at that. And that's a plain glass. So it's a bit of a mix and match. I don't know how that's ever happened. I didn't really notice it before. Also, the sliding windows here, well, they're plain glass. Nothing looks worse than having a mix and match of glass. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up this glass today, and I'm going to show you how to take the glass out of the side windows, because a lot of people have been asking me how to do that. What a trick we can do is take these down to the glass shop, and they can actually tint these windows with the plastic film exactly the same tint as the rest. They can mix and match them up, and they have a special machine for looking at the glass, and they can tell exactly what the tint is. And I tell you something, you won't be able to tell the difference. Now, usually people take the cars down to a glass shop and get them tinted in situ. Well, the sliding windows are a bugger to do, and also the Alpine windows working upside down in the roof. That's not fun. So, but the thing is, we don't have to do those. That's great. So this could speed this project along a little bit, because I can build up the rear door and the Alpines and the front windscreen by getting the glass fitters to come in. Well, not so much the back door, I can do that one. And then it just leaves the doors and the side windows and these little things here. Well, they're easy to fit, I can do those. But I'll get the glass fitters to come down and put the windscreen in, because I don't want to break it. So, as I was rambling on there, we're going to get these windows tinted to the same colour. That'll be nice. I've had it done before actually, because I wanted to do some tints, and I knew that this can be done, so it's going to make it really nice. But it's going to make it really easy to do now, because they can just do it on a bench instead of doing it on the car, so hopefully it'll save a few quid as well. So I'm going to get these glass pieces here safely put to one side, and then we're going to take this side window, these sliding side windows apart, and then when they come back from the glass shop, I'll show you how to put them all back together again. All right, let's get on with it. I don't know what he was on about. Thwarted. I just got back from downtown. I spent 3 hours driving between 3 different glass shops all over the region to see who'll tint these windows. And it wasn't until I got to the last one that he told me that the green tint has been discontinued and all they could do is grey. Well, he showed me a sample of it, it looked rubbish. So now I'm in a bit of a dilemma now. It looks like I'm going to have to buy some windows for this, already tinted. I haven't got any, and I don't know what I'm going to do now. I'll have to have a word with the owner, because I've got the rear door is green, the front screen is green, the alpines are green, but the side windows and the back quarters, well, they're clear. Oh, what? Do you know, this is typical of a mess about you have all day messing about. So I'm going to have to sort of think what I'm going to do and see what glass is available to finish this off, because I certainly don't want to mix and match of clear and green, and neither do I want, you know, green and grey. It's going to look awful. It's going to look like an animal in disguise or something. So watch out for the next exciting episode.